Hi, Paul. How are you?
How are you? I'm good.
Okay, back and forth. Firstly, what an incredible film, and also congratulations on it. What drew you to this part, and why did you want to be a part of it?
The standard of the writing was so immediately brilliant, and the people involved in Josh and Oliver are people who I want to work with forever and ever. So yeah, it was that.
And do you have a highlight day on set?
Say again?
A highlight day on set?
Uh, no, the whole experience. Like, I can never answer that question. Sorry.
Thank you so much.